Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. So last night, a bell of Pinoy Dreadmen Philippines got together. We both got together there and discussed some of the points of my first experimental horror film, including going into some of the future films. I showed him some of the special effects we have in mind, and he was quite horrified. As a Filipino, these are going to be different special effects that you're not of the gore that you're not accustomed to in the Philippines of seeing in films. So he got to see deeper and deeper as what I have in mind in doing, and he agreed it's going to be an eye-opener to the Filipino people. Now to everyone else around the world it will be as well, to a good point, but definitely to the Philippines this is going to be something very horrific and different. We discussed other aspects of the film and future films, and we definitely have a lot of great aspiring talent with dreadlocks, colored hair, tattoos, piercings, and all the things essential to these avant-garde films we're making. Alright? So, there's where we are at this point. Many things going on, of course, and that's a good thing. Alright? Alright everybody, Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. We really appreciate it. Take care, and we'll see ya.